हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू। आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 3 लेटर वर्ड्स विद साउंड ई डी विद साउंड सेज एड, BED bed, RED red is a color, FED fed. Next word is WED wed. Once again, BED bed, RED red, EN which sound says N, HEN hen, MEN men, PEN pen. Next word is TEN ten, 10 BEN ben, and DEN den. Hen, man, pen, ten, ben, den. Let's revise all the words once again. First word is LEG leg, BEG bag, NET net. What is this? Net. LED led, LED led, JET jet, JET jet, LED led, WET wet, PET pet, and last word is KEG keg. So friends, these are our E-sound words. Please subscribe the channel for getting more educational videos. Thanks for watching.